Hey guys, it's Tony. So SHIB is just wanted to look into SHIB and it is dropping a little bit, but we did hit peaks of 15, which is absolutely insane to be honest. The fact that it even ran to 15 is absolutely bonkers to me. Currently I have 143 million SHIB in Coinbase. I think in my Coinbase Pro I have like 269 million. So I will be converting that over just so I can have it all settled in one place. But as of right now, I did look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin actually ran. I had a big position in my Forex account on a big long for BTC, and then I actually just got stopped out in profit, so which is pretty cool. But what I did want to talk about was we actually did just beat relative highs on Bitcoin, and I do think we're well underway of running up to like 50K or so. But yeah, super awesome that SHIBA ran to 15. Doggy is now the one that's doing the running. It's now hitting 25. It hit a peak of 25. So we'll see where we'll see where each one goes to. I think if SHIBA does drop further down, I'll more than likely fill up on my position again. But I think for the most part, SHIBA's doing a pretty good job at really running those multiples. On the weekly, you have, from where it was to that 15 peak, you had an over 100% return, which is absolutely insane. And then Doggy, for the week, you had a what? Like a 20% return. So, SHIBA's definitely outperforming, doing a 5x over Doggy Coin. So we'll see where it rallies to. But as of right now, my fool's insurance, it's all going into SHIBA because I do think that Doggy might be capped at certain prices, like 25 and then 40 cents and then 50 cents and then 60 and then 70. And then I do think that there's a chance that Doggy goes to $1, but I do think that the multiple from SHIBA is probably going to be a lot higher than the multiple that you can get from Doggy Coin. So I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.